Technivorous channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. Check us out on Patreon at patreon.com/Technivorous. Hey folks, Technivorous here. Just a quick update on some things going on with the channel. We have a few surprises coming up this month. We're going to be taking a look at another Creality resin machine. This is going to be a similar machine to this, just a different model, the LD002H. Slightly larger, it's got a nice red case, but very, very similar to that one. We also have an artillery printer coming up, and that's going to be great as well. The reason I'm making this video is because I wanted to thank you guys. We just hit 10,000 subscribers, and it has taken almost 2 years to do. That said, that's not very long for 10,000. Sometimes it takes around that amount of time for most people on average to get to 1,000. So we're doing really, really well, and that is because of you guys and the support that you give, and I really, really appreciate it. I just wanted to give you a quick thank you and a shout out to everybody who has supported the channel, especially those who have been there from the very beginning. I am glad that you're still with me, and I hope that you continue to stick around. So on that note, at 10,000 subscribers, I'm supposed to be able to activate the merch shelf here on the channel, which means you'll be able to see my shirts and stuff down below the videos when you watch them. It's not quite giving me the option to pop up yet. I hear it takes a week or two, but we will be seeing that shortly, and as you can see, we do have some things that are available if you check out the Teespring. This is actually an all-over print hoodie that's got the Technivorous logo. There's a little hot end and a extruder on there. It's a little bit hard to see. Just kind of looks like dots from there, but trust me, you're gonna want to take a look at this. It's pretty sweet. That being said, that's gonna be it for this short video. Just a quick thank you and a shout out to let you know what's going on. You might also notice something behind me. I'm not gonna show you the whole spool there, that brown spool. That is something that I've been talking about on or off. Technically, I can't tell you too much about it just yet. I'm not even sure I'm supposed to let you see it, so we're not going to jump into it too much, but just know that Polymaker's got some really interesting stuff coming out. You'll hear more about that at the end of this month, sometime between the 24th and the 28th when that video is released. So stick around, you're going to want to see that. And yeah, thanks for being there, guys. I appreciate it. Technivorous out. Well, that's it, guys. That's going to wrap up this video. If you've noticed the shirt, the merch is available. Go ahead and check out the Teespring merch link down below. It won't be available on a channel store until I reach 10,000 subscribers, and so far I am just about to hit 5,000. So it'll be a little while, a couple more months before you see this on the actual channel, but they are available now. I have a couple other designs. Feel free to pop over there and check them out, and know that any purchase through the Teespring site definitely helps to promote our site here and increase the channel's ability to make videos in the future. So we appreciate all your support. Don't forget to check out the Teespring link, check out our Patreon link, leave a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more coming at you in the coming days.